Like most boroughs, we suffer from deterioration of our carriageways, particularly potholes. We decided to trial the injection patching in 2017 and we had 2 contractors in over a period of 6 weeks and assessed and evaluated their performance. We were very pleased with the output we received. Normally, our traditional methods, we would repair between 20 and 25 potholes and other carriageway defects a day. Using this method, we're able to repair in excess of 50 defects along the public highway.
Speed of the process of maintaining our road networks is really important. We want to make sure that our road network is open and accessible, and we want to keep traffic moving, keeping our residents moving. So velocity coming in, fixing potholes within 3 minutes rather than the 15 is really helpful to our residents, and that's why we really value the work that they're doing.
Here in London, we're utilising spray injection patching as a 4-stage process to repair defects immediately. First of all, the truck will arrive at site and will apply high velocity air to the defect to expose any cracks and remove any dust and debris. Then an emulsion bond coat is applied under pressure, which seals up any cracks at the bottom of the defect. Before aggregate is fed into the airstream, it's coated with emulsion immediately before it's sprayed into the ground to provide the repair. The final stage of the process is to run a compactor plate across the top of the repair, which levels out any loose chippings and makes the repair immediately ready to take traffic.
One of the key benefits for Brent is how cost-effective and how much value for money this gives us as a council. In a time of austerity and tight resources, every penny counts. So if we're able to make efficient use of the money we have, all the better.
We evaluated the performance of this type of work in regards to customer satisfaction and the very fact that the contractor was able to visit over 70 roads and we only had 1 minor complaint. We're very pleased with the outputs and the response and compliments we've had from residents has been very encouraging as well.
As part of our commitment to maintaining the road network across the borough, every residential road will be visited. Each ward will have Velocity visit them for at least 2 weeks, beginning on the 7th of May, over the next 2 years.
A benefit of this approach is that they will pick up every single defect they identify along the carriageway. So they'll start at one end of the road and repair every defect pothole that they can identify and get access to. This has proved to be very successful and has reduced the criticism and complaints that we receive from residents who often complain that our contractor's gone out and fixed one pothole but left the one beside it. So using this innovative and very positive way forward, we believe that we're going to improve satisfaction amongst residents, we're going to improve the overall condition of our network, both aesthetically and condition-wise, and we think it will be a benefit for all.